Hi folks, Janya with another Mars anomaly. Go right in there to my blog, down to the entry, Puebloan ruins and giant monolith found on Mars. You guys must see this one. Quite astounding. Okay, here we go. This is located inside Gale Crater, where Curiosity finds itself at the moment. This photograph was taken by the MRO HiRISE camera quite a while ago, 10th of December 2006. What you guys can see there, let me take you to download the high definition photograph to see these anomalies. I recommend the merged RGB map projected image. It's about 228 megabytes, so quite a chunk. And then obviously to view it, you'll need NASA's high view image viewer. So I've got links where you can download those there. And then there's an interesting article, which I'll show you guys as well. I think there might be a link with these ruins here on Mars in Gale Crater and those found in Chaco Canyon in New Mexico. They show similar geometry, and yeah, you guys will see. What I've done is I've cropped these areas out of the main image, the JP2, so that you guys can get an idea of where to look for it. There's that one showing the ruins. There's a large portion here. I want to focus particularly on this area right here. You guys will see in a moment why. And then just keep in mind, this is what the sort of layout of the ruins look like here on Earth. Check the circles, the rectangles, the squares inside there. There's well that geometry there. Now, let's look. There we go. That area there. You guys will see it definitely doesn't look natural. To me it doesn't. Let me know what you guys think. You can see equally sized rectangular structures there. And if you look down here, you'll also see a semicircle there as well. Over here you'll see more of that geometry, even over there. These are equal sized compartments by the looks of it. There's another semicircle, another compartment or room. It looks as if the walls have long since been destroyed, and these are the foundations. But it's difficult to say from this angle how tall these walls are, if they are walls. But that looks like that sort of ruin that you find there. I don't know if you guys agree with me. That's quite strange. Quite a find, I think. Right in Gale Crater. No wonder Curiosity is there right now. And then if you look at this area in the JP2, you'll notice something very odd that doesn't belong there. You don't find any other sort of ruins like this. Let me take you to the zoomed in version. You guys will see what looks like a monolith. Perfectly rectangular stone block. From its shadow and and from the highlights you can see it's a perfectly cut rectangular block. And then there's some other stone remnants over there as well. It looks as if there was maybe a type of a monument here, and it was decimated long ago. Look at that, guys. What do you make of that? As I say, you're located right there. And then let's quickly go to the NASA webpage. I'll put that link in there for you guys too. This is what you'll get: evidence for water and wind processes in Gale Crater. As I say, the low resolution images are just not detailed enough. I recommend downloading the merged RGB map projected file. It's 228 megabytes, not too large, and you'll find the anomalies in that one. That's what I downloaded, and I found this level of detail, which is not bad. Okay, then let's have a look at that article that links NASA to this university that is investigating these ruins found in New Mexico. Why NASA would be interested, we'll find out one day when disclosure happens, I guess, when full disclosure happens. But I reckon there might be an ancient aliens connection between these ruins and those found on Mars. Why else would these guys be interested in this? That's my opinion, guys. What do you guys think? What are your theories behind this? But clearly, NASA is very interested in these ruins here on Earth, specifically those in Chaco Canyon. Might there be a link between what we see there, guys, and what we see there? Only time will tell, I guess. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys again with my next video. Keep well, be safe, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.